Let's learn how to add more than 35 photos to videos on TikTok. If you want to add more than 35 pictures or videos on TikTok, but don't know how, after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. I'll show you how to do this on both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is install CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor for iPhone and Android. Once you've installed CapCut, open it and you'll be on the home screen. On that screen, you need to click the blue New Project button. When you click on that, a page will open with pictures and videos from your gallery. On that page, select the pictures and videos you want to add. I will now select only 3 pictures, but you can select more than 35. After selecting the pictures and videos you want to add, click the blue Add button in the bottom right corner. Once you have clicked on that, a page will open where you can edit the videos and pictures you added. On that page, scroll to the left among the options at the bottom of the screen. When you have scrolled, click on the aspect ratio option. When you click on that, some options will appear, and you need to select 9:16. After selecting that, you can click on a picture or video and expand it to be full screen. You can also click on the lines between the videos and add transitions. You can shorten the duration of a picture or video by clicking on it. When you click, hold your finger on the white line and drag it to the left. Once you are satisfied with how the pictures look, click on the arrow in the top right corner. After clicking that, wait for it to export to your gallery. Once it has exported, click on the Done option at the top right. When you click that, the video will be in your gallery, and you will have added more than 35 pictures or videos. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.